Hello, and welcome back to my channel, Finance Rules. I'm Leah Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be talking to you about my favorite stock, NNDM, Nano Dimension. And just a quick note, because from my last video, I gained about 400 new people on this channel, so I just want to reach out to you guys and say I am still a firm believer in cryptocurrency. I know my video was talking about an 80% Bitcoin correction, which honestly, I still feel like it's going to happen. It's just a matter of when. It might not be in 2 weeks, but it is going to happen, and I just wanted to prepare you guys for the worst. And when Bitcoin falls, it's just going to be the perfect time to buy more. And I'm sorry about all the scammers that were in my comment section. I have no idea why or how. There was literally comments from Finance Rules in the comment section, but that wasn't from me. And they were talking about, oh, join my WhatsApp group and I'll give you free stocks, I'll invest for you. Just to let you guys know, this is not me. It would never be me. So please do not pay any attention and just report it. Just like how I am doing, I'm reporting them. So come on guys, it's teamwork. Let's get rid of these scammers. Anyways, back to the video. Let's talk about Nano Dimension. By the way, this is why I've been so busy in January, and really I never really posted much in January, is because this little doll, hi, her name is Toto, kind of like from Wizard of Oz, you know Toto, and she's just my bundle of joy. She just came out from a nap. That's how I can do my videos, is when she's napping. So just wanted to let you guys know that this is what I've been up to. She's a ton of work. She's a Pomchi, so she's half Pomeranian, half Chihuahua. So now I have Monkey and Toto. Hi, baby. Hi. All right, she's got to go potty now, so I'm gonna put her away. Aww. So, lo and behold, we have another Nano Dimension stock offering. Who knew? Who knew it would happen again? Obviously, it's going to happen again. Come on, they have a track record of doing it like at least 2-3 times a month. So what can you do about it? Instead of go, well, oh my God, another stock offering, the price went down and I'm so sad. No, get your books together, do your due diligence, look at history, look at what's happened in the past, and ride the wave. Sell and buy when it's time to sell and buy, and you will make bank. Stop complaining about it. So, let's talk about this for a second. $500 million is by far the largest stock offering that Nano has decided to do. The last stock offering was $332.5 million, and it was about a month ago. So, hey, come on, you guys have had a month's break without this drama. You should be happy. Anyways, $500 million direct offering. And this isn't a public offering, it's directly into the institutions, which is great. We are getting more and more institutions in with Nano Dimension, and you know what? They're just going to go up like a rocket after this. Once this closes, this company is just like, I have never been more confident in a company, in a stock, than NNDM. That is why I have the vast majority of my portfolio invested into Nano Dimension. And if you guys want to dollar cost average and buy in at this point, feel right to do so, but we will talk about targets in a second. So they're selling 39.1 million shares at a price of $12.80. And they're gonna get $500 million. And I mean, Nano right now, they're already at like 3 billion market cap. I remember back in the day, we were like excited that we hit 1 billion. Now it's 3 billion. Like, this is billions. We're not talking millions, billions of dollars. They're at 3, and once they close on this offer, they're gonna have another 500 million, which means it's gonna be $3.5 billion, almost 4 billion. All right, so let's see the picture here. We're at a $500 million offering here. The last one was 332.5, January 19th. Back then, this. So I know there's a lot of lines here. I'm very colorful. So let's just go through this. on November 23rd, it was only 100 million. This was 3 months ago that they were doing 100 million. And I remember back then it was like, oh my God, 100 million. Then they did a 60 million, then 180 million in December. December 30th, 250 million. From 250 million to 332 million to now 500 million. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if in a month from now it's going to be 550 or 600 million. I mean, who knows with this company? But the good thing is they don't have any debt and they are just stockpiling. They are literally, it's as if they're printing money with their 3D printers, that they're getting so much cash. Okay, so let's see what history tells us here. By the way, these green lines are my buy-ins, so I'm in the profits. Woohoo! If you would have listened to me in my videos in the past, you would be with me. Anyways, I've been riding these waves up and down, except after the December wave, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna hold. Hindsight, maybe I should have sold when it hit like 18, but I was like, yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna stick with this company. And honestly, I don't even have fear in this company. I just keep it in the back burner and let it grow because that's how confident I am in it. Let's see where this price is gonna go now that we found out that there's a stock offering. So this day one, February 16th, today, is when we see a huge sell volume is going on right now today. And you know what? In my opinion, you already kind of missed out on selling in order to buy back in because I think we're going to stabilize here from now on. The RSI is only 44. It's clearly underbought. And we're just waiting for this MACD to cross the signal line back. If you look at our most recent stock offering, which was in January 19th, look, huge sell volume. And even the next 4 hours, still the same day, it went back up. Now it's still going down because it's like, oh my God, 500 million, that's so much money. People are freaking out. But look, even it's stabilized right there. See? It stayed around the same price and then it was just boom, lift off. And then it went to oversold. I mean, look how oversold that is. Like, this is just technical analysis. This isn't about the company. So if you paint a similar picture of what's going to happen, this is my opinion. Do your own DD, yada yada, whatever crap. Do your own research. But this is what I think what's going to happen. People find out that there's a direct offering. Bang. Obviously, we're in that right now. There's a little bit of, I don't know what's going on. It's not over yet. You know, the closing, it still hasn't happened. Once it's closed, this yellow line here, it's going to go like this. So it could go down a little bit more than it is right now. Who knows? It definitely won't go past 1280 because you know what? These institutions, they want a good deal on the stock. They don't want market price. They want, oh, there's 1571 in the market. Well, what kind of discount are you going to give me? Because I'm going to give you $500 million to invest. And then Nano says, okay, well, we'll give you 1280 then. How does that sound? Sound like a deal? And then they say, sounds like a deal. And they buy at 1280. So I really don't think that it's going to surpass 1280. If it does, I don't know, it'll be like 1270 or something. I mean, don't really try to nickel and bargain here. I would say stay in this range here from where we are now, 1440. I mean, even that's a really good deal. I would say buy in now. Or if it hits, 1350, definitely buy in. That's just my opinion because you know what? You can't nickel and dime here because it's going to go up after this closing ends. Because once this closing ends on Thursday, I mean, this thing is just going to skyrocket. And then you're just going to miss out. And this stock, guys, honestly, it's like an easy 10 timeser. I mean, if you're going to hold it for the next year and come with me to the ride, I'll see you on the moon with our 10 times bags and let's celebrate. And if you look at my girl, Kathy Woods, my idol, she is still buying NNDM. She's got it in 3 of her ETFs going right now. And they've just been scooping up these shares. I mean, look, so the 12th is the most recent. That was last Friday. Yesterday was a stat holiday. Now today, they don't come out with their numbers until like 6, 7 p.m. So we can't see that yet, but they've bought every day. So, 1.3, 2 million, 1.5. I mean, they sold these two, but maybe they just shuffled them around because look, there's 2 million, 2.5 million buy, and that's on the daily. Tons of shares are being bought by Ark Invest. So, I mean, why wouldn't you, right? They're obviously doing their due diligence. They're obviously doing their research and they're investing millions. I mean, come on, guys like us, we got our 1 grand, 2 grand, whatever, right? Like, I don't know, max 10 grand is like, oh my gosh. These guys are investing millions, okay? I think they know what they're doing. Okay, so thanks for tuning in to my video. It's good to catch up on NNDM with you guys because it has been a while. So it's good to get back to my roots with NNDM and the nano madness of, direct offerings and everything. So I wish you all the best of luck, and let me know in the comments below what you guys are doing with Nano, and I'll see you in the next video. Probably another direct offering. Bye.